Welcome to our RFM Analysis Marketing Accelerator demo in Alteryx. RFM, also known as RFM analysis, is a type of customer segmentation and behavioral targeting used to help businesses rank and segment customers based on their recency, frequency, and monetary value of a transaction. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. Welcome to our video on RFM analysis using Alteryx, an AI-powered tool that helps us analyze customer behavior and segment our customer base. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of conducting RFM analysis and explore the benefits and business use cases of this powerful customer segmentation technique. Let's get started. Step 1. Data preparation. To begin our RFM analysis, we have a raw CSV file containing customer transaction data. We'll import this data into Alteryx using the Input Data Source tool. Then, using the Select tool, we'll change the data types of relevant columns. We are then converting the invoice date to a datatime format using Datatime tool. Additionally, we'll apply filters to remove canceled and invalid orders. Step 2. Investigation. Now that our data is prepared, we'll move on to the investigation phase. RFM analysis requires evaluating each customer's recency, frequency, and monetary value. We'll start by calculating their recency value. Using the Summarize tool, we'll find the maximum or most recent date for each customer by grouping customer ID and converted invoice date. Then, using the Formula tool, we'll calculate the difference between the last purchase date and the current date, giving us the recency value. Similarly, to calculate frequency, first unique tool is used to remove duplicate invoice number of each customer. Then Summarize tool gets the count of total invoices, which return as the frequency for each customer. Lastly, monetary value. The Formula tool is used to calculate the total cost for each invoice using basic formula quantity into unit price. Next, Summarize tool is used to get the sum of the total cost for each customer. Step 3. Segmentation. To segment customers based on recency, frequency, and monetary value, we'll utilize the Tile tool. This tool helps us divide the data into sets based on value ranges in the columns. We'll apply the Tile tool to the recency, frequency, and monetary value columns, grouping the data into sets and renaming the tile columns for further analysis. Step 4. Calculating RFM value. With recency, frequency, and monetary value determined for each customer, we'll join the segmented tables using the Join Multiple tools based on the customer ID. Next, using the Formula tool, we'll calculate the RFM value based on specific business requirements. The RFM value helps us rank and prioritize customers according to their transaction behavior. Step 5. Sorting and analysis. To gain insights from the RFM analysis, we'll use the Sort tool to arrange the data based on the RFM value and customer ID. Then, using the Select tool, we'll remove any unwanted columns and proceed to analyze the results. The Browse tool allows us to visually explore the segmented customer groups and their RFM values. Now, let's discuss the benefits of RFM analysis in customer segmentation. Increased customer retention. RFM analysis helps identify customers with high recency, frequency, and monetary value, allowing businesses to focus on retaining their most valuable customers. Increased response rate. By targeting customers who have recently made purchases or have a high frequency of purchases, businesses can expect higher response rates for marketing campaigns and promotions. Increased conversion rate. RFM analysis enables businesses to tailor their marketing efforts to specific customer segments, increasing the likelihood of converting potential customers into loyal buyers. Increased revenue. By understanding customer behavior and preferences through RFM analysis, businesses can optimize pricing strategies, cross-selling and upselling opportunities, ultimately driving revenue growth. Now, let's explore some business use cases for RFM analysis. E-commerce. Online retailers can use RFM analysis to identify their most valuable customers and personalize marketing campaigns to increase repeat purchases and customer loyalty. Financial services. Banks and financial institutions can utilize RFM analysis to segment customers based on their transaction behavior, offering tailored financial products and services to different customer groups. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page, www.FugetronCorp.com/marketingaccelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.